Welcome to Picture Healer channel. In today's video, we want to talk about the Feng Shui of the water and the relationship to the 5 elements. In Feng Shui, water is a symbol for wealth and money compared to the mountain for the health and the relationship. There are 2 types of water. One is a real water like a river, creek, pond, lake, ocean, or pool. The other type of water, you cannot really see the water, but anything that's lower and flowing is considered water. And in Feng Shui, anything is higher is considered mountain, and the lower is water. For example, the road or traffic in front of your house, it is also a type of water. That's the modern day Feng Shui water. And also the lower side of the landscape, especially when it rains, the water can accumulate. That is also the water. And in Feng Shui, we like the front entrance of the house actually lower than the road or the landscape in front of the house. So the water can go into the house and accumulate in the front part of the house. That's a symbol for accumulating wealth. On the other side, if the house is higher and in front of the house is lower, the water will flow out, and that's a house that's difficult to accumulate money. We want to talk about the 5-element shape of the water. You can see the picture here. The metal water is the curving one. It looks like a circular shape. Some of them have the S shape, like a snake, and some might have a shape of the hulu, like 2 circles. This is one of the best water shape. The wood water shape is straight and narrow. The water type of the water has the small wave or irregular shape. It doesn't have the big curve like the metal type, but it does have some smaller waves. And the fire one is usually triangular shape or with sharp angle. And the earth shape of the water is rectangular or square. So which one is the best water shape? According to the old Feng Shui book, the metal one is the best because it has a curve and it follows the nature. Especially when it curves around the house, is considered good Feng Shui water. And the wood type of the water, because so straight, it's not as good as the metal one because it flows out quickly. The wood one is not a bad water, but it's not as good as the metal water that accumulates around your house. And the water type with the little wave is not as powerful as metal, but again, it's all by comparison. It's not a bad water either. For the fire type, because of the triangular shape, it's not a good water. It can cause any heat problem or fire related problem. And also it's hard to accumulate money. And the earth type, it looks fine, but because it's so square, it's a little bit unnatural. It's also related to law or government official buildings. In Chinese Feng Shui, it's related to quarrel or lawsuit. So the metal one is still the best out of the 5 types of the element. So what's other quality for good Feng Shui water? The first one is we don't want it to be rushed or flow too rapidly, because that will become like a sha qi. When something is flowing too quickly and it doesn't stay around the house for long, then it's not a good water. And the second one, it should be clear and clean If it's muddy or smells bad, then that's not a good water either. The third one, the water should stay around the house longer, such as a pond, a pool, a lake. There is a body of water nearby the house that stays longer instead of just flowing away. That's the better water. When the water curves around the house, it's considered good feng shui because it's like embracing the house. If it's curved away from the house, it's not a good feng shui. The next one is the direction of the water flow. In this picture, you can see a river in front of the house. If the water flow away from the house, it's not a good feng shui. If it's flowing to the direction of the house, then it's a good feng shui. And the next point is to decide the location of the water. It should be in the auspicious direction in comparison to the house. In the front door, you can use a compass to decide the direction of the lake or the water you see. To find out the best water direction for your house, it is a little bit complicated because different style of feng shui has their own theories. If you are interested in learning the best water location for different types of the building, please leave a comment below and I will try to show it in the future videos. And the last one is to make sure the water is not too loud or noisy. If it's too noisy, it's not a good feng shui water. We will talk about mountains in the next video, and we'll also answer some questions. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.